Good morning, everyone. Don't know where I'm going because this is my first time coming around this neck of the woods on foot. I think this is the way. I believe so. Oh, this is a beautiful church here. This is the church. This is the Roman Catholic Church. Why does my camera look so blurry? Okay, so I think I'm going the right way. I think I am. Whee! I think I'm going the right way. As I said, I'm following the bus stops. I never walked this way before. So it's my first time walking in this area. I hate walking around on foot. But yeah, I just follow the bus stop. Yeah, and now I am on my way home. Okay, so I discovered something. I discovered that I'm really closer to the cable car than I thought. So I'm just gonna show you what I bring it up. I wonder if you can see the cable car. Oh, look at these lovely new buildings. These are new buildings, you know. Yeah, new flats. They're quite pretty too. These are new buildings. Wow. This building was never here. And they disappear. Yeah, I'm quite close to the cable car. Let me show you. I will go there one of these days. I've been on it before though. It's very scary. But it's quite cool as well. Because you have to go over the river. And it's nerve-wracking, to say the least. But it seems like it's in full swing of things. I don't know if, there you go. See, you can see it much better now. Yeah, we're quite close. And over there is the Milan O2. Right, so we're going close to the cable car, as close as possible. Yeah. And I see what I can see. As you know me, look at that courtyard, big old plane. As you know me, I'm not a person for bridges and overhead, but O2 is there. Listen, I live in this community and I hardly come up this side. It's very foggy, but look at how close the O2 is. Oh, sorry. These are the cable cars. So here we go. These are the cable carts. Oh, my glasses is all foggy. So they go all the way over, across the river, and I'm looking at the O2 over there. So it crosses the river and go all the way to the O2, and it comes all the way back. I'm not going any further still, but you can get the gist of it. That's the way it goes. I think they're doing some works over there. Yeah, so there you go. That's the cable car in full action mode this morning. Take it all the way, and it goes all the way down there and all the way back. These are new buildings. All here they're new buildings. Ten, 15 years ago, this building was never here. 20 years ago, this building was never here. 25 years ago, this building was never here. And all of a sudden, they're here. It's looking good though. I love it. Yeah. But yes, I'm back home to no, I can, because my and plan the rest of my day. And I must say, today I'm feeling a whole lot better. The last 4 or 5 days was just crazy. I was in so much pain, and but now I'm feeling a whole lot better, and I can be out and about, because I wasn't out and about much because I just started feeling good. So now I'm back on my feet again. So now I think I can move around today. So yeah. So let's see what the day have in store. Well, we're not gonna get no sunshine, so there's no sun coming out, so we know that's one, so forget about that. So let's see what the rest of the day have in store. I'll see you in a bit, and I hope you're having a great day. So we have the Holiday Inn Express. This is a hotel next to, not far from where I live. And then you have the Premier Inn down there. So yeah, if you're on your way to England, these are some of the hotels that you can stay at. They're quite expensive though. Well, if I never walked, I wouldn't know that there's a Sainsbury's in Canning Town. There's a Sainsbury's right there. There's a new Sainsbury's in Canning Town. Well, where's a Tesco? Well, what do you know? See, sometimes you need to walk in your community. Because if you walk in your community, you'll know what's in your community. Because I didn't know that there was a Sainsbury's in our community. I just thought it was only Morrison's. But I found the Sainsbury's. Oh, what do you know? So today's Friday. I know it's a no cooking day on a Friday. But I was sick for the whole week last week. And I didn't get to have my rice and peas. And I'm making my rice and peas today. So there you go. So I just put my garlic in with some pimento and my kidney beans. It's in the pressure, so I'm going to put the pressure top on and let it pressure away. We Jamaican eat rice and peas any day, okay? Any day of the week. So, yeah. So there you go. My pressure cooker is on. So my kidney beans will be cooking nicely. I'm just frying some Johnny cakes over there. So yeah, there you go. So my rice and peas is ready. I just finished making it. Just came off the stove, and I'm just going through it just to make sure that everything is looking. See, shelly rice. Girl, cook. I don't cook no soft rice in this house. Has to be nice and shelly. So yeah, and I'm doing some chicken over there. It's not ready yet. So the rice and peas is all good to go. As I said before, all week I haven't had any rice and peas because I've just been ill. This is our Jamaican delicacy. We eat this on a Sunday mostly in Jamaica, but normally you can eat it anytime. But yeah, it's a Sunday. Like, the British have mashed potatoes and roast potatoes. In Jamaica we have rice and peas. So let's go over it again and have a little look. And this is kidney beans. Okay.